What's up, everybody? We're going to talk about the 10 essential items that you should bring with you when you go to shore. First of all, make sure you have a nice backpack or bag to put all your items inside. And you're going to do some shopping out there, so keep your hands free and all that good stuff. Another thing, make sure you bring a flask and some extra water bottles. It gets hot out there at a lot of these different ports, especially like today. We're in Puerto Vallarta and it's hot and humid. So make sure you fill your flask up with some ice and bring some water bottles to help fill it up in there while you're walking around. And with that being said, bring some sort of liquid IV, some sort of electrolyte sticks or whatever. You're going to need it because a lot of these excursions, you're in the heat, you're walking, and even when you're in there swimming, doing all that stuff like that, you're going to get dehydrated. This is perfect to help you out there so you don't get the cramps. Make sure you get your sunscreen because that sun is beaten down and you don't want to get all red and peeled out. And oh yeah, that's not a good thing. I even get red too, and it peels too. So yes, make sure you got your sunscreen. Also, because everybody uses their phones to record and stuff, bring a battery bank and your charger so you can charge up your phone. Because that's the last thing you need. You're out there on an excursion, driving around, walking around, whatever, you're sightseeing and touring, and your phone dies. And then you miss the perfect, shots of you and your family and friends. And with that said, it being hot when you're walking around, yes, bring a washcloth or a sweat rag. I've even seen people out there with the blue towels from Guy's Burger, in the buffet to wipe down the sweat and all that. Yes, that is a must. Women and female, you're going to be sweating out there. When you're in the Mexican Riviera, Eastern or Western Caribbean, you're going to be doing that. You need a hat. Some sort of hat or visors to put on. Block that sun rays from coming in from you out there. Hat. A lot of ladies like to wear the brims and all that. Something to protect your eyes. Speaking of eyes, bam! Make sure you got your shades. It's in my picture too. Make sure you got your shades on out there, definitely, especially for the kids and all that. Walking around, have your shades. And here we go. This is something I do. A lot of people don't really think about that. I have a copy of my boarding pass, a copy of my driver's license and passport, and a copy of my travel insurance. And so like me, I'm a solo traveler. So let's say something happens and I get knocked out or something like that. So when they search me, my property and all that I have on me, they're going to see that. They're going to say, oh, okay, one, he's on a Carnival cruise ship and knows which one. Because you could go to a port and there's 5, 6 different ships out there. And then two, at least they have some basic good information on you. They have your passport information and has my driver's license information. So that gives them a good go start. And I have my travel insurance. That was going to be in another video right there, but you must have travel insurance. I recommend it because you never know when something happens. And it's always good for this particular one. Cost me $165. We'll talk about that later, but hey, it's well worth it in case something happens. If you can think of anything else that you like, that you should bring, make sure you put it in the comment section. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Catch further content. It's time for me to pack up. I'm heading out to Rhythm of the Nights excursion, Puerto Vallarta. Catch you guys later.